Hi everyone, welcome to another video with information technology. In today's video we are going to look at how we can solve the issue active community guidelines strikes. Okay, I just recently received this channel violations pop-up message, and nowadays when I try to upload a video, so if I go to create and then click on upload videos, for example, I want to upload this new video that I'm trying to show you how you can fix emptying recycle bin on Windows computer. So as you can see, when it's uploaded, I can see the title in here, but down here you can see too many strikes. Due to community guidelines strike, you cannot upload videos at this time. Okay, so I can't do anything. I cannot type. I cannot do that. Let me show you how we can fix this and what we should do in order to be able to upload videos. So if you come here, let's click on this one, active community guideline strikes. So here, as you can see down here, strikes on 2nd of May 2023, expires on 31st of July. Now I have to wait probably like for 2 months, actually like more than 2 months, so like 3 months, maybe even like 3 months in order for these strikes to go away. I already deleted the content and I'm still not able to upload any video. I haven't done anything wrong. Probably it's the same with your channel. You probably haven't done anything wrong, but some community guideline strikes are there that you can't do anything about it. You probably upload a video that you don't realize they are against the community guidelines of YouTube, so you can't do anything about it. Okay, let's see in here. But if you see on the top, one of 3 community guidelines strikes, your content was removed due to a violation of our community guidelines. You can click on this and then you can read more about community guidelines. I'm not going to do that. You won't be able to do things like upload, post, or live stream for 1 week. Okay, so 3 days left. In the bracket you can see that 3 days are left. Okay, so for 1 week you will not be able to upload, post, or do a live stream. Now it's been 4 days that I cannot upload a video, so I need to wait another 3 days. In your case, it might be different. It might be 2 days, it might be 6 days, might be 5 days. After this many days, I will be able to upload a video. However, this community strike will stay until 31st of July. But at least I will be able to start uploading a video once again. Okay, if this happens again, your channel will receive a second community guideline strike. You won't be able to do things like upload, post, or live stream for 2 weeks. Okay, if this happens next time, you will not be able to upload, post, or do a live stream for 2 weeks. So now all we need to do is to wait for 3 days, and then after 3 days we will be able to upload videos once again. Okay, I hope this also solves your problem. So don't worry, there's nothing to worry about, and just wait for 1 week, and after that you will be able to upload your videos as normal. Also, one suggestion I want to give you is just go through your video and then see if you have uploaded other videos which are similar. Try to unlist them or try to delete them from your channel before they get a community strike. Okay, until next video, it's goodbye.